Hello and welcome back to Brand with Kella, a digital marketing platform that helps businesses grow. I'm Kella, and in today's video, I'll show you how you can create an easy promotional video for your business. If you're new, do subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, please hit the like button and share this video. All right. Okay, so we go to Canva, we open a new design, we go to social media, and then we create an Instagram post, which is 1080 by 1080. We click on the square there and we can change the color. For the purpose of this video, we'll be using a purple background, so whatever shade of purple works for you, or you can also bring in your brand colors. Okay, so for this video, because I have a code, I'll be using the code 490224. Okay, so we have the background there as purple, and then we go to elements. We want to bring in a light, so we type in light. Okay, we set through all the light and you can pick whichever one works for you. This light is dark, it's black in color, so we want to change it and make it maybe pink. So you can search for any other compatible color that suits your color. But I'm going to use this code CE0A9A. Okay, so I'm going to drop you all of the details in the description box below. We want to use this code and make the light pink. You want to also expand your light. You want to expand your light and make it less concentrated. So I'll expand it as much as possible so that it's not too domineering. And then I centralize it and put it in the middle right there. Okay, so we go to elements and we search for star stroke. Okay, so just type in star stroke in the element to bring a stroke that you want. Doesn't have to be the same, but whatever works for you. And then we click on see all in graphics. Under graphics, they will click on see all. So it brings lots of options for you, and you scroll to whichever of the star strokes you want. We want the one right there in the middle. So we pick it, we rotate it, and we make sure it's well rotated, and then we reduce it. You can put it at the edge and make sure that it's centralized. So we make sure that it's centralized by looking for that line in the middle. We can duplicate this for the other side. Okay, so it's duplicated. We can click on flip down there and then flip it vertically so that it faces the other one, and then we can also move it back and central and move it to the other edge and make sure that it's balanced. Okay, we look for the middle and then make sure that it's balanced. Okay, then we go to elements. I want to search for a frame. Now we want to add the frame. There are lots of shapes that you can pick from. You can pick any of those shapes there. But for the purpose of this video, we'll be using this one on the right there. Okay, so we want to bring in our image. You can use whatever image works for you. Okay, you can bring in your pictures, your brand pictures. But here I'm going to be using one from Canva. So I type in cake. I type in chocolate cake. Okay, so you can select the cake there and adjust. We add a text box. Here we're going to have the name of the company. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to be using chocolate cake as the name of the company. I type in chocolate cake. We want to take it up there and make sure it's in the middle. It's centralized. I'll change the font to Hatton Black. And there it is. You click on Hatton Black, you reduce it. You want to reduce the font to about 48. And then we can change the color. So we go to color selection and type in F6, F0, F0. So we create another text box. You can have your slogan here, but I'm going to be putting special here. So we have chocolate cake special. And then I want to change the font to Canva Sans. We create a new text box for the address. I want to reduce this to 30. You can also duplicate and then we include the phone number there.